Hello everyone, today I'm going to fully explain how to earn money on YouTube and how to claim that money from YouTube. So as you can see, I have made $124.66. You're probably wondering, how do you earn money on YouTube? So I'm going to go through every single step on how to get money, how to get monetized, and then how to actually receive the money into your bank account or to a check to your house. So what you're going to need to do is first of all get into the YouTube Partner Program, which requires, well, it technically requires only 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. But if you really want to earn, you're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now that's the hardest part, but it is a pretty annoying step after that. So after you meet those requirements, you're going to need to first of all set up an AdSense account. You might need to put a little bit of information in here, but not too much information right now. And you're going to need to put in a payment information, but you can't do that yet. So after you fully got into the YouTube Partner Program, make sure your channel is good enough for them to approve. Don't make a bunch of inappropriate content or content that violates terms of service. You may think it doesn't affect your channel because you don't get a copyright claim. Trust me, it does. They will not approve you into the Partner Program, and you're not going to be able to earn money. So make videos that YouTube will be happy with. Trust me, you won't regret it. So what you're going to do after you get approved into the thing, everything gets set up, you create your AdSense account. You need to actually earn some money into that AdSense account because they won't let you put your payment information until you receive some sort of money in there like this. It could be $87.47, could be $99, it could be $200, or it could be 1 cent. So the money actually updates into AdSense between the 7th and the 12th of each month. But here's how you actually get it. You can get it from any of these 5 ways. Watch page ads, which you need to set up all 5 of these, by the way, which is just from people watching the ads on your video and then watching your video for at least 30 seconds. You'll get a random CPM. Maybe I'll make a video someday after I increase my own on how to increase CPM to maximize the amount of money you're making. You can also make it from the Shorts feeds ads. I know you guys have been scrolling through Shorts, and every 4th or 5th short, you're going to come across an ad in the Shorts feed. You're going to get a tiny cut out of what YouTube pays for those because you're putting your own shorts in that feed for people to watch. Memberships, which is a monthly subscription that people buy to your channel. You can advertise those really well or explain the benefits of getting that so that your subscribers will buy it. Supers, which are just like one-time donations that you can't really refund. You can put a little message on them. You can do them on live streams. You can do them on normal videos. You can do them on shorts just to support somebody. And then shopping, where you can create your own online products and you can sell them to people, or physical products. Like you could make a shirt with your logo on it, like some merch. You could put it up there for $15. Then every time somebody buys that, you've got to send it to them and you're going to make $15. So once you make the money, you wait to the 7th to the 12th of the month. It goes into your AdSense account successfully. Everything's hooked up. You're almost done. So you're going to need to put in a payment method, which I have here, a savings account, my own savings account. This isn't even my name. So after you set that up, you're going to need to put in some tax information, which you're just going to do whatever tax information for your country. Put in the correct information. You're also going to need identification. If you're not 18 or older, which I'm not, you're going to need a parent's identification. You're going to need them to approve that, like, they're taking the money. Because if you're a kid, you don't have any way to actually earn the money. You can't just have them deliver paper money to your mailbox. That's not how it works. It's either going to be a check in the mail or that you need to redeem into a bank account or just directly into your bank account. So you can't really cheat that. After you set up the payment information, also, you need to put in your address before the payment information as one of the verification things. And they're going to send something to your house. And you're going to need to redeem the code on there. You've got to type it in to prove that you actually live where you say you live. Then after that, obviously, you're going to confirm everything. Then you have to set up your payment information, set up your tax information, confirm it because they're going to send like 50 cents. It's going to be a random amount under $1, and then you're going to need to tell them how much money they sent. You only get 3 tries, so it's definitely not worth trying to cheat that because if you fail it, you don't really get another chance. So after you do that, after they send the money, they refund it. So you can't just do that and keep the 20 cents that they give you. Then you've got everything set up, and you just need to wait for the 7th to the 12th of a month where you reach this $100 payment threshold. And this is how to actually get your money. I have not gotten my first paycheck yet, but I will really soon. You get the money, as it says right here, between the 21st and the 26th of the month. So you're going to obviously have to wait for the 21st to the 26th of the month. If you have met this $100 threshold, if you haven't met it, you're not going to get paid, but there's no problem. See, I didn't make it. It just keeps adding up. If you don't hit the $100 threshold every month, you don't get paid every month. You get paid each month on the 21st to 26th if you make it to that $100 threshold, and it keeps stacking up. So after I get the money added into my account, it'll be $125. So they'll give me $125. And then it'll probably take me 5 or 6 months to get another $100 in there. So I'll just go 6 months without getting paid. And then that month, when I actually hit the payment threshold, they will pay me. And then once you get paid, you're going to have your payment information already set up. So they're going to give it to you. You're going to need to pay a little bit of tax on it. But then you have your money, and you can just keep doing that. The most important part of earning money is being consistent with posting videos and finding a way to get a high CPM/RPM, which is how much money you earn per 1,000 views. Or you could just get an insanely high amount of views. As you can see, most of my videos have around a $4.35 CPM, which means advertisers are paying $4.35 for every 1,000 clicks that somebody who watches my channel is seeing their ad. So 1,000 people seeing their ad, and not every view you get sees an ad. But sometimes if you post some certain videos, like this one, how to earn money and get monetized off of YouTube, YouTube likes that. Advertisers want to pay a lot more for it, and you're going to get a higher CPM, meaning if that video blows up, this one clearly didn't, you're going to earn a lot more money. This is also kind of the same for the shorts feed, so we can go off of here. RPMs and CPMs are way lower for shorts, as you're going to see when I click on here, because if we scroll down to see, where's the CPM? How do you view this? If you see where you get paid, I've only got $4, and if we check the views, you're going to see over 20,000, over 40,000, I think. I think this $4 is from about 40,000 views. So I don't think I can view my RPM. There's some way to view it, but my RPM is under 20 cents per 1,000 views. It's like 6 cents per 1,000 views. So for shorts, they're really low. Like you can see here, let's go up to a video that I made when I was monetized. This one right here, Green Guy Goes to the Moon. It made 27 cents, and it got how many views? 6.3 thousand. So if we do 6,300 divide 0.23, or you could do times 0.23. Okay, you guys get the point. It's a I'm so dumb. You guys get the point. It's a very low RPM. 27 divided by 6.3 is what I meant to do. Divided by 6.3. 4 cents. 4 cents. So that's going to be all for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be able to answer any questions that you guys have. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.